Hello Emerson Lower Elementary. This lesson will be on reptiles. We'll read a book and then we'll come up with some reptile facts. Reptiles, a question and answer book. Meet the reptiles. Slither, slither. A snake climbs up a rock. Snakes, turtles, alligators, and lizards are all reptiles. These animals come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. Mountain king snake. Do reptiles have backbones? Yes, reptiles have backbones. A backbone is made up of small bones called vertebrae. The backbone is part of the reptile's skeleton. Military dragon. Are reptiles warm-blooded or cold-blooded? Reptiles are cold-blooded. Their body temperature is the same as their surroundings. Leopard tortoise. What type of body covering do reptiles have? Reptiles have hard, dry skin covered with scales. Most reptiles molt or shed their skin. New scales grow under the old ones. Texas horned lizard. How do reptiles eat? Most reptiles eat mice, frogs, and other animals. Alligators and snakes catch animals with their teeth. Some reptiles eat plants. Snake eating a frog. Where do reptiles live? Some reptiles live on land. Other reptiles live in water. You can find reptiles in rivers, deserts, fields, and forests. Green iguana. How do reptiles have young? Most female reptiles lay eggs. Young reptiles hatch from the eggs. Some reptiles give birth to live young. Panther chameleon babies. Do reptiles care for their young? Most reptiles do not care for their young, but crocodiles help their babies find water after they hatch. Nile crocodile. And you can see the baby and the mother. And the baby is inside the mother's mouth. What is a cool fact about reptiles? A python is a type of snake. Some pythons have 400 vertebrae. People have only 32 to 34 vertebrae. Pythons bend and curl easily. Carpet python. And here is the glossary. Now we're going to look at some facts about reptiles. One fact I recall from the book is that reptiles have backbones, and animals that have backbones are vertebrates. Vertebrates. I also recall that reptiles are cold-blooded. Cold-blooded means that the reptile is the temperature of its surroundings. So its temperature changes. Cold-blooded, depending on the temperature outside of it, around it. Reptiles also were covered in dry skin with scales. Scales. Our book also said that some reptiles lay eggs, but not all. Some have live births. I wonder which reptiles have live birth. That might be something that you can look up and research. You're going to find some links with interesting information. You are also going to find photos of our reptile cards for research. And you can check out those links and come up with how you want to record.